Good morning to you, Michael from the Urban Homestead Academy. We're just about to do a community seed potato run. And when we talk about community-based food security, what we're really effectively saying is individuals in the community growing their own food, saving their own seed as a collective, and then sharing those seeds, sharing produce amongst themselves. Really, that's what we'll talk about, community-based food security. So last year we needed a couple of Hampshire chickens, New Hampshire chickens, and one of our friends was able to give us some chickens, and we're going to return the favour and bring up some seed potatoes for him. At the moment in Australia, it's a little bit late for seed potatoes as far as buying them, so some of these varieties are no longer available to buy. But we've got 7 different varieties here that we're going to give our friend. As I said, return the favour for him giving us the New Hampshire chickens. We've got a few varieties here like Bismarck, a traditional variety. We've got this one here's Breaklight, which is a red potato, a red skin potato. We've got Sapphire, which is a really purple skin potato. What have we got here? We've got another one called Salad Rose, which makes very, very good potato salad, that one. We've got Up to Date, good old-fashioned variety there. We've got Nicola, a good all-round potato. And we've got a good old-fashioned all-round potato, makes a good mash, bakes well, the Kennebec. So that's what we talk about when we talk about community-based food security. We're really talking about individuals within communities growing their own food, saving their own seed, and sharing the skills, sharing the seed, in this case seed potatoes, around. Another particular one we've got here, we've got an old-fashioned heritage grape. This one's called Shula. This one is a very, very good eating grape. It's a purple grape. And one of our friends didn't have this particular variety, but because we grow it in our garden, we're able to take cuttings and then share some of these old heritage varieties around. So individual gardens are great repositories for heritage seed, heritage food plants, share them around, and collectively we come up with community-based food security. So that's what we talk about when we talk about community-based food security. Have a great day. We'll catch you next time.